Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this nice looking camping chair. It's a portable backpacking chair. It's lightweight. It's a folding camping chair for the beach. For adults with 3 side pockets and mesh back panel for outdoor use, for camping, for the beach, for lawn, and it comes here in an orange design. Of course, on the market there are other colors available, but I think the orange one is the classics of it, isn't it? We have a good mesh design for ventilation, and we have a strong seat cushion. We have a good frame made out of aluminium, and the material is Oxford cloth and aluminium as well. We have a durable construction. This camping chair are made of sturdy Oxford fabric to ensure durability in outdoor environments. It will stand up to the rigors of camping, fishing, concert, picnics, travel, and beach outdoor activities, and providing a lasting comfort and support for us. And you will see it comes with an easy installation. This portable camping chair features a quick unfolding support frame for a quick installation process without any specialist skills. Because if this person here can handle this, you will handle this as well, of course. We enjoy the hassle-free assembly, enabling us to relax and unwind within a moment of arrival at our favorite outdoor spot, for example. And we have an enhanced comfort because this is designed with a breathable mesh backrest. The lightweight folding backpacking chair keeps us cool and comfortable even on warm days. Its ergonomic design provides excellent lumbar support to promote relaxation during the extended use. And of course, practical storage. That means if we are done with the job, we can easily peasily disassemble it. And if your size is different, so you're a large guy or a smaller guy, it's no problem because it is adjustable. You can lift up or lift down a little bit the foots of it, and then means you have another geometric style of that seat. Equipped with 3 side pockets, this camping chair is often convenient storage for essentials such as water bottles, snacks, smartphones, or reading materials. We keep our belongings within ease reach while enjoying the great outdoor activities. And stability and strength. Featuring a square construction and a 4-point support design, it is coupled with a non-slip foot bed. The outdoor folding camping chairs offers an unwavering stability across all terrains. With a wide capacity of 400 pounds, it ensures reliable support for users of diverse sizes, making it ideal companion for outdoor adventures and activities too. We have a portable foldable camping chair here. This is ideal for camping, picnicking, hiking, fishing, or as well traveling. No problem for us. That's the camping chairs here. A portable backpacking solution for all kind of stuff what you are looking for. You can easily install it. We take out the frame. We unfold the frame too. We insert the seat cover. We finish the assembly. Job's done, baby. And the dimensions are 65 centimeters at 25.5 inches height, 55 centimeters at 21.6 inches wide. That's the dimensions, and that's good because you have a lightweight camping chair there, stable, heavy duty, and easy to assemble. We have here a Christian camping chair We can use it at fisher side. We can have camping parties with that. No prop for it. You can have a seat. You do not have to sit on the ground. You can make this on that seat here. We can go fishing with it. We can go to the beach. That's cool for the beach, for example. And of course, for the entire camping stuff, we can use that kind of chairs. Really cool, really easy to operate, to assemble, and to disassemble these camping chairs. It's a portable backpacking chair. It's lightweight. It's a folding camping chair for beach, for chairs, for adults with 3 side pockets and a mesh. That's a back panel for outdoor activities for camping, beach, lawn, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again, of course, on my channel. Sun Sun!